Do you happen to know like how many there are or anything?
I don't.
If I just took them all?
I do not know.
Froggy flip.
Have a good day, guys.
How much are the comic books?
$5 for $1.
$5 for $1. Okay. Do you happen to know like how many there are or anything?
I don't.
Like if I just took them all?
I do not know.
I mean, I guess I just count them all. We can just go from there.
Okay, and if it's approximate, that's good too.
Okay.
So we're not.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'll just count
skim
through
through there, and
Okay.
whatever you come up with is good with us.
If I put them all in this bucket here?
That's perfect.
Okay,
Yep,
thank you
that's
so much.
perfect. You're welcome.
There's 249. So
How much was they, did she say?
20 cents a piece. So right under 50 bucks on that. And then I have one game here, which I don't have a price on.
I don't know, $1.
Dollar.
Did you say how many comic books?
249. So that comes out to $49.80. So $50.80. We'll just call it 60. Awesome.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
You're awesome.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right, everyone, we just pulled up to my antique booth over there. I've been promising an antique booth update for a while, so I figured it's a pretty good time. I left that little church rummage sale and I bought all these comic books. They were basically 20 cents a piece and there was 249 of them. So I'm basically into these for like 50 bucks. Took them home, kind of went through them all. Of course, there was no big money anywhere. I mean, there were like some that could sell for like maybe 10 to 20 bucks online. A couple, maybe a little bit more. That's not really worth the time in my opinion. So I kind of went through everything and either priced it at $1, $2, or $5 for each comic book. Had Sarah print me off some little tags here. That's the thing about having like a little vendor booth. Buys like this, as long as you're into them cheap, there's no real risk. I mean, 20 cents a piece. I get them all priced up and I never have to think about them again. So I was just at the booth about 4 or 5 days ago and filled it up. So we'll go see if there's any empty spots in there. I also brought a bunch of like Pokemon booster packs and some Yu-Gi-Oh stuff and some Dragon Ball stuff. A while back, I bought a bunch of overstock. So these are just kind of modern things like Rebel Clash, nothing very exciting, but I'm also not gouging on the price. I'm doing like $2 a booster pack and I think like 10 bucks for a structure deck, which are pretty fair prices, I think. So I think what I'm gonna do is fill up my glass case with these cards just to kind of get them out of my way, get people something to look at, something cheap to buy, along with these comic books, and then we'll take a look at the booth and then we'll call it a day. Perfect timing, across the street. Oh no. There's my booth right there. Hard to tell if anything sold in the last few days. Not sure. Hello. So yeah, looks like a bunch of stuff got moved around. Kind of put in the middle of the floor, but still pretty full. So I'm gonna spend a few minutes finding a place to put this stuff right here, and then we'll see what it looks like. I think it might be better to take these off. Put the cards up top. And these are all $2 a piece.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
The stocking's never ending, right?
Never ends. Alright, so here's kind of how we're looking right now. Got our case filled up. A bunch of different cards, just nothing too expensive, just kind of eye-catching as you're walking up. Got our box of comics here. Micronauts. I thought those were pretty cool. There's a few of those in there. This was full of beat up old X-Men figures, and now there's some wiggle room, so I think I must have sold 2 or 3 of those in the last few days. Here's what I'm down to on records. Just restocked these and still getting low. No big heavy hitters right now. Some okay stuff, but nothing tremendous. Bunch of G.I. Joes filling the shelves in different places. Some Power Rangers down there. There's some more G.I. Joes and whatnot. There's my suit of armor. Got a pretty cool Tootsie Roll train back there, sealed in the package. Some more various action figures. Some CB radio stuff, just mainly stuff that it's not worth taking the time to sell online, or things I don't want to test. I'll put them in here as untested and just kind of mark them about half of what eBay is. There's a MIDI keyboard and some coolers, a couple signs back there. Got some more toys up here. What's left of my train stuff as far as the HO scale stuff goes. Some more CB stuff, a bunch of cone heads, vintage action figures on card. Those are pretty cool actually. This stack of old board games and stuff was really high, and I'm down to just a few now. And this vintage rocking lawn chair that just doesn't want to sell. But yeah, I've got tons more stuff to bring this week. I'm probably gonna have to start bringing in like shelves to put here in the middle. I think I've said before, maybe pull this out this way and put some more shelves this way, because I have plenty more that I need to bring over here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it there, but as always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, love ya, bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.